Kinds of nouns and the letters their sound. A noun is the name of the person, place, or thing. Rama is a good boy. Delhi is a big city. A carpenter made this table. Good is a noun. Adjective. Boy is a noun. Delhi is the adjective. City is the noun. Carpenter is the adjective. Table is the noun. Nouns are the following kinds. There are various kinds of noun. What are they? They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun. Abstract noun. A proper noun is the name of the particular person, place, or thing. India is a great country. Newton was a great scientist. The Gita is a holy book. These are the examples will be given. India is a great country. In this sentence above, India is the name of a particular country. But the word country means any country. Hence, India is a proper noun and the country is a common noun. Similarly, Newton is the name of a particular scientist, but the word scientist simply means any scientist. Therefore, Newton is a proper noun. Scientist is a common noun. In this sentence above, Gita is a particular book. Therefore, it is a proper noun, but book is a common noun. A proper noun always begins with capital letters Ram, Mohan, Delhi, Bombay, Ganga, Himalaya, etc. But the common noun begins with a small letters unless it occurs in the beginning of a sentence. Sohan is a brilliant student. Children are model of innocence. Sometimes a proper noun may be used a common noun, but even that state it will begin with capital letter. Samudragupta was the Napoleon of India. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Krishna is the Newton of our class. The definitive the is not used before proper noun except in cases given in details in the chapter. A collective noun is the name of the same type of person or thing taken together and regarded one entity. A bunch of tea or grapes, Ganga and Bandit, a class of students, an army of soldiers, a hive of bees, fleet of ships, constellation or galaxy of stars, an archipelago of islands, a baby of girls, a crowd of people, a mob unorganized, a swarm files, a jury jugs, a heavy kettle, a flock of sheep, committee of members, a team of sportsmen. Collective. Note. A collective noun comprises a collection of common nouns and is in the itself used as if it were common noun. The class consists of 50 students. The jury was unanimous in its own. The crowd and was too large to be controlled police. The mob attacked the police. The Indian army defeated the Pakistan army. The British cricket team scheduled to visit Man. A heavy baby of girls is ingested. Material nouns denotes the original of raw elements or object existing in nature. Gold, iron, cotton, wool, silk, sugar, honey, milk, water, wheat, rice, etc. It is formed from these raw objects of other articles of common use are generally made. The article made from the material noun are the common nouns. Ornaments are made of gold. Iron rods are used construction and other use. Woolen clothes give us warmth. Sweet meat are made with milk, sugar, honey, and wheat flour. Definitive article. The often is used material noun. Gold is a precious metal. Milk is a good for health. Rice is the sample food most of the people of the world. Honey is sweet when tasted. When a material noun is used in particular sense, The article used before it, the milk of the cow sweet, the water of this well cool, the honey in this have is a superior. Abstract noun is a impalpable and intangible and indicates any of the following four things: quality, truth, honesty, kindness, humility, goodness, cunningness, bravery, softness, gentleness, wisdom, foolish, dullness, etc. Action. Movement, action, activity, theft, hatred, jaggery, mischief, behavior, etc. State. Infancy, childhood, boyhood, youth, adolescence, freedom, slavery, soundless, liveliness, sickness, deep, death, penury. Name of the various arts, science and profession, economic, politics, history, literature, physics, chemistry, botany, music, grammar, anthropology, pharmacy. An abstract noun in any first three forms manifesto in a person or a thing. A child position lived it is. An abstract noun may be personified when it is represented in the person. Covered flies away the sight of bravery. The article the is used before an abstract noun when it is a specific sense. Child is a free carefree period. Okay. That's third. English letters and their sounds. English letters, their sounds. There are 26 letters and 26 sounds. Some of the examples will be given. English has 26 letters. Their letters is how to use to speak the letters. Printed letters, the remaining 21 letters, consonant letters. These 6 letters are these letters are how to use in English language. English language, different sounds, different kinds of sounds, different kinds of musics can be expressed. Examples: CK on 2 words, Ka on ಧ್ವನಿಸುವುದು. Some letters, 2 sounds, ఉదాహరణ G, Ja, Ga, Ka, గా నలుగుతుంది. Sound A, A, E అను ధ్వనులు. A and మరియు అంబిషన్ ఆశ. ఆ అను ధ్వని ఫాదర్, గార్డెన్. ఏ అను ధ్వని ఎనీ. ఏ అను ధ్వని యాప్. ఆ కూను ఏ కూను మధ్యస్థ స్వరము ఏ వలన ఏర్పడుతుంది. క్యాట్, మ్యాన్, ర్యాట్. దీస్ వర్డ్స్ ఏ sound you learn these sounds in English language. తాటాకులు ఆ, కు, యా ధ్వనితో పోలి ఉంటుంది. బీని ధ్వని కలిగి ఉంటారు. టబ్, రబ్, డంబ్, లంబ్, లింబ్, కాంబ్, కుంబ్. సి, స్, క్, ఛ, ష. ఎగ్, ఇస్ అన్న సౌండ్ ఈఐవై అక్షరముల ముందు ఇవి వచ్చినవి. సెల్, సిగర్, సైక్లోన్. కుక్ అను ధ్వని ABLORU అన్న అక్షరముల ముందు వచ్చిన సీక్. క్యాబ్, చిన్న బండి. త్రాచుపాము, క్రాప్, క్రోప్రా. ఇచ్, సి సౌండ్స్. డి హల్లు అంటే కాన్సెంట్స్ వర్డ్స్. గాడ్, మ్యాడ్. ఈ సౌండ్స్. సౌండ్, బెడ్, పెన్ ధ్వనులు. తర్వాత ఎఫ్ దీని ధ్వనిని సూచించు తెలుగులో లేదు. కప్, జీ, ఇగ్, ఇజ్. హెచ్, హల్లు, కాన్సెంట్ సౌండ్స్. హై, అవర్. ఐ, వైల్డ్ వైల్డ్ మైస్, ఈ టిప్ ఠప్, జే దీనికి ధ్వని మాత్రమే కలదు. జగ్ జుట్, కే ఇక్ సౌండ్, కిక్. ఎల్ ధ్వని మాత్రమే కలదు. బాల్, బెల్, టాక్, వాక్ అని ఉచ్చారణ లేదు. ఎం యామ్, ఎన్ కాయిన్, జాయిన్, ఓ నోట్, కాట్, మూవ్, గుడ్, పీ కప్, క్యాట్, రిసిప్ట్ రసీద్, పాస్లం, క్యూ యూతో కలిసిన చేరి ఉంటుంది. క్వీన్, క్విట్, ఏఈఐఓయు తర్వాత వచ్చు ధ్వని. బర్డ్స్, వాటర్. ఎస్ అను సౌండ్కు ఇస్, ఇష్, ఇజ్ 3 సౌండ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఎస్ మ్యూజెస్, బస్, బష్. రూట్స్, చిప్స్, హోప్స్, చైల్డ్స్, పెన్షన్, అగ్రెషన్. బట్, డాగ్, టిన్, శాటిలైట్. యు ది యు కప్, బల్, ట్యూబ్, యూనివర్స్, యునైట్ అని అక్షరం ధ్వనించవద్దు. విండో, వాల్, లిబర్టీ అని ఇది ధ్వని కలిగి ఉండదు. సైలెంట్ లెటర్స్. In English language, there are different kinds of letters, different kinds of sounds in English language. Knife, cake, walk, nadaka అను మాటలో ఉన్నాయి. In these letters we can express how to use the sound system. Examples: debit, dettel, ma, bomb, climb, climb, lim, dham, kumb, tum, dhum అని ఉన్నాయి. రైటింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్.